What's up people, it's your boy man Mac, back again with another video. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification button so you can be notified for another video. And yes, I'm back again with another tech video, a tech and fashion video. So for those of you that may have seen this title already, you may know what I'm talking about, and for those of you that have no clue what I'm talking about, you'll see. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Basically today I have a humongous box right there. As you guys can read, it says Nike HyperAdapt. So you guys know it's gonna be fucking lit. Fucking lit, mate. Drum roll, please. So guys, once you've opened the box, this is what it looks like inside. You've got the shoes wrapped in some paper, and you've got the charger over there in the blue thing. If you're wondering what L stands for, it means Electro Adaptive Reactive Lacing. That's what L stands for. I'm guessing L is from Back to the Future. Guys, yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, because like, don't hate on me. Man doesn't watch Back to the Future. Obviously, man just rides hoverboards. Man's got hoverboard in it. If you haven't seen my hoverboard video, check that out. Man's in the future, man's in the past. Come on, I'm in the present. Okay, I'm just trying shit. So basically, first off in the box, you get the charger. And the charger is a wireless charger. So it's like the Android chargers. Like you just pop it on, it magnetizes, it charges the thing. You already know. And because this shoe ties its laces by itself, it needs electricity to run it. So yeah, that's why you need the charger as well. So inside the box you get the two Nike chargers, the wireless chargers. Got the left one, the right one, doesn't really matter. Then you got the UK power adapter, or you can get the EU power adapter or American power adapter, depends on what area code you're in. So yeah, this is what the power cable looks like. It's slick, it's sexy, it's pearl white. It's amazing. And just pops onto the bottom of the shoe, and I'll show you later. Of course, yeah, secondly inside the box you have the beautiful, beautiful shoes. So let me just unwrap these shoes for you. Sneak peek. Guys, yeah, inside the box you get the L Nike HyperAdapt 1.0. Basically the 1.0s are the new Nike HyperAdapts. You've seen the old ones which are inside the movie. Yeah, obviously I wish they could make them for me in it, but this is the next best thing. Nike HyperAdapts have come out for like a long while. They've had different colorways. They've had like black, they've had white, they've had grey. The new colorways are Team Orange, then you got Team Red, which is like orange and yellow. You got the Habanero Red, which is like red and black, and then you got the Wolf Grey, which is obviously grey. So you've got 4 different colorways. Yeah, this is Team Orange. I love it. It looks sexy and it goes with camo. And right here you got where the battery compartment is. This is where you charge your shoes. And there you go. That's how you charge it. Look how nice the bottoms look like. I got red bottoms. I got GM shoes. Yeah, so you got empty squares. You got a Nike tick here. Got the L. And guys, yeah, these are not really laces. Basically, what these are is like a metal mesh, which also has a metal wire inside it. Then when you put your feet inside it, that metal wire that's inside the mesh contracts, which makes these tighten. And then when you release the shoe, the wire expands, and then this also expands. And then once you put your feet inside the shoes, these shoes automatically turn on by themselves, and then they adjust to your shoe size. Yeah, I hope you guys can see it. Right here is where you guys can adjust the straps. So I think here is for release, and here is for contraction to tighten it. Inside the shoe you just have the L. Then at the back here, when you wear the shoes, these light up. So this is where the battery level will be. So it has like I think 4 or 5 LEDs. And at the bottom here, it also glows in the dark. So this one will glow blue if it's fully charged, yellow if it's half charged, and then red if it's like 15%, just like an Android charger or like iPhone. So now I'm going to show you how it works. So guys, right now I'm going to try on the shoes. I'm going to show you how it works. And for those of you that keep asking me how does the shoe work, how does it tie its laces, basically in the soles you have like pressure sensor. So as you apply weight to the pressure sensor, that's how the laces will tighten. And now they're tight. It's nice and tight. They're nice and snug. As you can see, the blue lights flashing lights. Come on, you already know. Jeez. And you can adjust them here. You can also release them. Guys, yeah, one more thing, yeah. Once you take off these shoes, yeah, and then you put them on for the next day, the shoes will automatically tighten to where you left it. So the shoes have like AIs inside them, so they know how comfortable you want your shoes, how tight you want them shoes, and they will return to the same tightness. And sorry guys if I'm waffling, yeah, I'm kind of new to the tech business, innit? Man loves tech. Everywhere in my room is tech, so you already know. And let me show you what these lights look like in the dark. And guys, check out my glow in the dark ring. So basically all you have to do is charge up the ring with light, with UV light, then it glows in the dark. Hope you guys can see it. Looks pink, doesn't it? So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
Take it, send man shot by force. Send it. Your girl knows I've got the sauce. Flexing, no ketchup. None, just sauce. Saucy, raw sauce. Yo, boom. The thing goes grrr.